What's up, everybody? It's me, Payne from Judgment Day Fitness. First of all, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I seriously appreciate your views. If you could do me another favor, check out the description below. I have my Instagram, my TikTok, where I'm posting a lot of fitness content. I have my Twitter as well if you're interested in what I have to say. I would seriously appreciate it if you go check that out. Also, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on my other videos, check out my other videos, all that jazz, you know? So with that being said, I have 5 bicep exercises for you guys that you can do from home, all right? Now, a lot of you might say, oh, I don't have dumbbells, I don't have a barbell. Okay, here's 2 things you can do. You can get a gallon jug and fill it with water and fill it with rocks maybe. You can fill it with water still. Or you could get a backpack, put some books in it, put some rocks in it, whatever you want to put in there that has a lot of weight to it. So you have no excuses. So let's try these exercises. Alright, so the first exercise that I have is called bowl curls. I've seen a few different names, but we're going to call them bowl curls because it's like you're holding a bowl of soup. Okay, you're going to place that dumbbell or whatever you have between your hands. You're going to use this grip right here. This is really going to focus on the outer head of the bicep. Still works both heads of the bicep, but it's going to really focus on the outer head of the bicep. You're going to bring it up and down just like this. It's really going to focus on that muscle activation, that mind-muscle connection. Alright, just go slow, don't rush through it. Just really practice some muscle control here, and you will definitely feel it. I feel it every single time. Second exercise we're going to do is going to be wide grip curls, alright? So you're going to take a wide stance like this with your arms. It's almost going to be 90 degrees to the rest of your body, but it's not going to be 90 degrees, like maybe 80 degrees probably. You know, just like this. And again, squeeze your biceps when you get to the top. Use that mind-muscle connection. Alright, it's going to work the inner head or the short head of the bicep this time. Third exercise we're going to do here is going to be short grip curls. No, it's not going to be the exact same thing as the bowl curls that we did, but you're going to make sure those dumbbells are touching. You're going to practice a lot of mind muscle activation. You're going to make sure you're squeezing your biceps when you get to the top, alright? So let's see you try it. Fourth exercise on our list today is going to be half rep bicep curls, alright? For these specific half rep bicep curls, we're going to start from the top and go halfway down, alright? These are great because it really throws off and confuses the muscle because it's used to you just going all the way up, all the way back down, all the way up, all the way back down. But in this case, we're stopping halfway back down, really throwing off the muscle, really confusing it, and I promise it'll leave you sore if you do it right. Fifth exercise on the list is also going to be half rep bicep curls, except this time we're going to start from the bottom and go to the middle, come back down. Again, same concept. It's really throwing off your muscles, really confusing the muscles. It's something that they are not used to. My personal suggestion is that you superset these 2 exercises. So you do the top to middle for 10 reps, and then you do the bottom to middle for 10 reps as well. So try that and see how it goes. And that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I seriously appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my social medias in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment on this video, check out my other videos. I would appreciate all of it if you guys did it. So I will see you guys next time, posting as often as I can. But I'll be honest with you guys, it's a lot easier to make videos on TikTok, so that's where the majority of my posting is at right now. But wherever you want to follow me, I seriously appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.